We know you came with him, sweetie, but right now it's just time to isolate that a little bit. Josh, everything under control?
One thing that is kind of unrelated to this video.
A little bit.
I'm gonna play it loud.
Right now it's just time to isolate that a little bit.
I hate when I'm sound like Uncle Ruckus. I hate when these niggas wear these chains, multiple chains, and they got these medallions and emblems and shit on it, and they be clanking and shit together. That's that clanking sound. I fucking hate that sound. I swear to God, I swear I hate
Right now
that
it's
shit.
just time to isolate
Listen to this
that
bullshit. I hate that motherfucking sound. I swear I do. I'm looking right at you, Blueface. I'm looking right at you. Matter of fact, let me get over here. I hate that motherfucking sound, nigga. I hate it. I hate it with a motherfucking passion. Got all these goddamn chains on and just clank, 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 clank. It's like if you put a bunch of tin cans in a goddamn bag and you shake the bag. Oh, I hate that shit. I swear I do. I don't know what it is. It's triggering to me. Like when I see anything that Soldier Boy in, that's all you hear. God damn, I hate that. I swear I do. I'm sorry. We back on it.